Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today we're moving on with our Yandere simulator series. Since the last video, Senpai's also got a new look, with new hair, new shirt, new trousers and shoes, and of course his little book. But without further ado, let's get on to the fourth rival, Kisana Snobu. For this doll, we're going to be using this Raven doll. I felt like her eye mold was more fierce and snobby, so I thought it would work. To start off, let's get rid of all the hair. Cut it close to the scalp, and then let's just pull her head off. Next, remove all of the face paint with acetone. Now that the face is entirely clear, we can move on to spraying the face and getting started with this. To start off, take your pastels to blush the face. Make sure to always blush the nose, cheeks, eyes, and her forehead. Unfortunately, my camera didn't record the face up yet again, but I didn't like the eyes, so I decided to redo them, and my camera didn't record it yet again. Huzzah! Now we can go and add some gloss to her eyes. Now that that's done, we can move on to this horrible mess of hair. I glued it to her head and made her two teeny tiny ponytails. Then we can move on to the rest. I took some tape and glued hair to it, and curled them around and glued them to her head. I then took some small little roses and pinned them into the head. For the entire process of this doll, I really wish that my camera had recorded more, but a lot of it just all went missing, so this video is not as in-depth as I'd really like it to be. Sorry. But I made her a small choker using some ribbon and a small rose. Next, I made her a shirt using an Atten from Pop and Altea, and I made sure to add a little drama thing to the side. Then I made a little skirt by layering up some fabric. And it buttons nicely at the back. Now onto the socks. For the socks, I ended up using a pattern from Moonlight Jewel Dolls, and these socks work a lot better as well. Time to colour them in with Sharpie since I had no purple fabric. Just put them on your finger and colour it all around. Try to get an even amount of colour as possible. It actually worked a lot better than I thought it would, but it did thoroughly stain my hands purple. But now we can go and paint on the roses. Take some acrylic paint, mix green and red and, well, not mix red, you've already got red, but paint on small roses in little artistic patterns which were reminiscent of the design. And that's the socks done. Now onto the shoes. The shoes from the Sun doll were the ones which were just on this doll for some reason, so all I did was re-sculpt them a new heel and then put them on the doll. So now we just paint them black, and with that, we are done! I think she turned out great. I really like the snobby expression that she's got, and I really think that she fits in with the rest of the Yandere simulator dolls. They all have such different personalities, except for Ayane, who's just a bit... Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!